me Viscous.
Brawling and stay so.
So before we go into all of this, you know that little brawling something there. Where Viscous come from? Like, where you get the name?
Alright, to be honest. Alright, so I'll be honest now. Which part Viscous come from now? I have to big up King. I have to big up King right through because you see when I just come in a movie, Mr. Hall, which is Harville, never give me a name. So I do about 3 scenes before I get a name.
No
You
name.
see the 3rd scene when I do, when I do the 4th scene now, King was there and King said to me, say, you see your movements and how you deal with the movie. You feel name Viscous. And Harville look at him and say, you know say I don't lie. You know say I don't lie, you're Viscous in my name. So when they give me the name there, oh gosh man. I saw extra badness. Brawling and stay some man.
Yeah.
So me have to say, alright, here we go on now. You know say, the name of me I run with in a real life still. So my nickname, next to Viscous, you would come in like a short name, which is Vich. Because them been call me Vich from school days, which me used to DJ. Yeah. So that's basically my artist name, you know? Vich. Anjo Vich. So we take off the Anjo and start name Vich.
So you're artist?
Yeah, I'm an artist. If you can notice in a movie sometimes I drop some chuck and some slang and mix up, match up and whoa. That is it. Yeah.
Were you a fan of the bartender before you became a part of the bartender family?
Well, yes, I was a fan of the bartender from the beginning. So from bartender just start 2019 or 2020 I think. In COVID time, not sure. But yes.
Okay. And being a part of the bartender family, how has it been being with the members on set?
Oh, it's really good, you know, because acting is really my thing. I like it. So each time I get called to do a scene, I'm ready and I'm glad to be on set and you know, yeah.
Also, being in the acting, have you ever been a part of any other plays where you had to play a scene or?
Okay, to be honest, not a movie or play that go viral, but a small skit, a small thing, just a thing that was in my community. Yeah, them did have a movie called Hothead in Rivali.
So you say a burial.
Yeah, that's a thing there.
So we are doing the shortness.
Yeah, you know, I think the man would even have to load up nothing bad, man. I was never a part of it full time because them did have Hothead Part 1. I wasn't a part of that, but Hothead Part 2, I was a part of it. It didn't come out full time on YouTube.
Oh, what?
But you have clippings of the movie on YouTube, you know?
Okay, understand. Also, being the Viscous character, how has that been for you? How can you say your character evolved over the course of the series?
The more I do it, is the more better I get. Can't just there, so. So you see, each time I go on set, I tell myself, say, any mistake I make before, I would have to correct it this time. Feel uncomfortably in a bad man. Nah, I go lie. So each time I go better. I try, you know, to firm up myself more. So the Viscous character now is more better than the Viscous character when I just start. Open my empty and make it do, you know.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is the difference between Viscous and Donovan?
Well, you have a slight difference. Not
Slight.
a lot. Yes, slight. Because the role I play in the movie is basically how I be in real life, but not fully. Because you see in Jamaica, in the garrison, you can't do soft. You have to rough, wild and mean, rugged. 3-star wolf can't fire shot. And you don't know me 20 yet. A whole heap of last chop. A wolf. You cannot do soft, you understand? So the character I play,
Mm-hmm.
me evilous, wild, mad. As you can see, my name Vicious, so I have to play the character there. But I have to be honest still, you know. In a real life, I'm not a killer, I'm not a shooter, I don't fire gun or anything still. But I do that in the movie. But you see my actions and my facial expressions and all of them things there.
A businessman or a DJ?
Both! I mean, I talk about both we sell. And we never fail. What's me not go to jail? In a real life, you know?
So you and the
But-
Vicious character
Yes,
have
but-
similarities.
Yes, but with Donovan, you know, kind, loving, easy to deal with and like to smile. Once you're a person that my spirit take, you know?
Listen, smelling is good. Swallow well and give it face a race.
And that you chose, or make a juice. You feel like man a mother ghost. Jaja.
The Vicious character that you play, what are the cons of the character or the pros? Like, what is it that you like about the character? What is it that you don't like about the character? What do you think about the character?
Alright. I think it's a very interesting character still, you know. I like the character because as I tell you, it's something natural that I normally do in real life. So the Vicious character, I really like it. I really like the role I play. I really like everything about it. There's nothing I can say I don't like about it. You understand? Yes.
Okay. Speaking of Donovan and Vicious, who is Donovan? Apart from loving, likes to smile, easy to deal with, who is Donovan, right?
Donovan Wright is a person who is multi-talented. I'm a father of 4, so I like to do business as in I'm a painter, so I paint at times. I do the juice bar as you can see I'm here right now, do the smoothies, punches and all those things. And I'm certified for graphics design. Yeah, so I do poster, tickets, all of those things, badges, all of them things. Yeah, and different from that, you know, I'm a person who like to freestyle and do my thing outside different, you know.
A father of 4. And what's your relationship like with your kids?
I have 3 sons and I have a 1 daughter. Alright? So you see like right now, for back to school and everything, we make sure so them get what them supposed to get. Me deal with everything because I'm basically them road model. So them look up to me, especially my son, them everything when I do, them follow. So me can't say me are gonna be vicious within the movie right now. Me have to change certain lifestyle. So who me used to be one time, I'm not that person right now, you understand? So even right now, if you can look on my social media, you can see. I make sure them twin out each time I go road. I bring back some things to them, I shop online, buy some things to them, make sure all 3 of them in the same thing. Well, my daughter young now, so she get big, so she soon start twin with them too. And as I tell you, I always make sure I look out for them. Me and them, the one place. I make sure I take all of my youth them one place, my house. You understand? So each morning I wake up, I look for them I wake up and look for me at the same time. You understand? So I always go there for them and not treat none less than none. Deal with all of them right through and deal with them fair and square. You understand?
And equally they should be treated. So being a part of the Bartender series, well, now the agency, how has that impacted your everyday life? Has it affected your personal life in any way at all?
Well, yes, you know. Because right now it makes me famous. Each walk, people are calling me name. People want to take picture vicious. So, you know, it kind of make me feel different in a way and it have to make me have to put myself together each time I ever touch the road. Can't be like how me used to be. Just throw on a slippers and a shorts and a marina and just hit the road. No. I have to put myself together and know say, yeah, if I even want one picture somebody I go see me I want to take with me, you know.
And does it stop you from getting your personal duties done?
No, none at all. No, it not stop me. Because more time, even if I have certain things to do, like something personal or something when I don't want the crowd to can see or anything. Just jump in a vehicle and press gas, you know. Window wind up and things, so it not affect me.
Okay. And in being on set, what is the most funniest moment you've had
Funniest
while on
moment.
set?
God. Can't forget the 2 moments still, you know. But I'm going to tell you about one because of the one that can highlight right now. One day, I get a scene to do me and Harvey like with ketchup, you know. And the ketchup, you know, King supposed to see we and come party. And in the midst of everything, King a try party, King a call Harvey. King supposed to call Harvey nothing buzz. And him a call him Whisper. Yo, Whisper, no, Whisper. I said no.
You know me, I said, brother. Yo, I'm my soldier, man. You hear that? And me make him there. Tough up. You know, tough up my face, brother. Yo, Whisper. King. You hear me? Numbers, you hear me, I said,
You like a joke. Yeah, man, that's the funniest part to me, you know?
And
Yeah, man.
what has been the most challenging scene you've had to do?
Oh, the most challenging scene. Alright, to be honest, I don't find none of the scene them challenging still, you know. I don't find none of them challenging because as I tell you, I have it as fun. I take it as fun, you know. So each scene me get to do, me just run it off like, you see me? Just my thing that.
If your character were to have a catchphrase, what would it be?
Well, my character have a catchphrase. Brawling. Brawling, from when you hear brawling, man, them know I want Viscous. Brawling and stay so.
Never two.
Never to, and from when you hear about Viscous, you know say we citrus.
If you were to switch roles with another member of the cast, who would it be?
Switch role. It is. Yeah, because I would want to be the Dan. Run off it is and butcher them and make them know what to do, you know.
I hear a word, man. Anything I say, you hear that? You go, man. You know, say from me tell you, say, easy, Viscous, you're good.
Brawling.
Have you had any memorable interactions with fans?
Yeah, man. Well, the first one was you, Sean. And the second one was 1 million. Well, I meet Sean over Instagram, yeah. And then I meet her at the bartender cookout. And when I meet Sean, I was so excited to see her because she's such a nice girl. And you know, I'm not going no further still, but with 1 million, you know, yeah, me I tell you, 1 million is a boss lady. Her name is 1 million on TikTok. 1 million now. I meet her in Mobile. The other day I go to Mobile. Well, she was a friend of mine over the social media. TikTok, yes, for a good while. For at least a year. And then I meet her in person at Mobile the other day. And when I meet her in person, oh gosh, man. Million pick me up and bring me to her house and treat me so good. I was well taken care of. She treat me so good, I feel so special. Million give me this, give me that, and I have to go into the details, but she really me good. I have to big her up for that, man. Big up yourself, 1 million, right, Joe. And big up Sean, right, Joe. That is it.
And how do you prepare yourself for your role when you are going to do a scene?
Oh, alright then. Because as I tell you, movie, acting, overall is a thing that I love. So, you see, each time I have a scene or I get a special role to play, I try to put myself together as best as I can. So, I make sure I ask Mr. Hall which role I have to play and what scene I have to do. So I can just to that role or to that scene so I can look as, you know, and get ready and firm up to what I have to do.
Now, If your character were to have a romantic love interest, who would it be?
Romantic love interest. To be honest, still, you know, I don't think more to talk to him. Because, well, on a real life thing still, you know, so we can talk, don't?
Yeah.
Bubbles. Bubbles,
Okay.
you know? That is it.
So people, you have heard it from Donovan, right? AKA Vicious. It was a pleasure.
Brawling and space, so you know.